I've marked off 40 centimeters because that will define the basic outline of the chair. Click on Layer 1 to activate it. Then click on the brush palette and the fine tip pen. Then the control panel. Click on the slider and change the width to about 5 pixels. Next, I'm going to pick a color, cyan. Go to the polyline tool, and I'm going to start at the origin, come over 40, go up 40, click, come back 40, over 40, down and around, double click, then I'll use the line tool and I'll go from one corner to the perspective point and then the other corner to the perspective point. And now I've defined the base of the chair, which is 40 by 40 by 40. Using the fine tip pen, I'm also going to draw the back. Come up 6 units or 60 centimeters, over 4 and click, and then come back down and click at the intersection. Then go down to the bottom, go between 300 and 400 and draw a line going out in perspective, then a vertical line to intersect. Then I'm going to draw a line straight down the middle. This will serve as a reference line later on. From there, I'm going to draw several lines that will indicate the outline for the pieces of plywood that will serve as the base structure for the chair. Click on Layer 2, select a color by clicking, then Layer, Background, and Layer 1. I click and move the sliders down to make them more transparent. Click on Layer 2 again, click on the fine tip pen, and then with this new color on a new layer, click and drag to make a more detailed outline of the chair. These lines drawn in purple will serve as an underlay for another layer in which I'll put even more detail for the seat and then the final chair. After that, we'll do some coloring. Click on the color palette to pick green, then click on Layer 3 to activate it. And now, using the perspective grid, I'm going to draw the outline of the chair seat on a new layer. Click on Background Layer, click on Hide Layer, click on Layer 1, click on Hide Layer. Those are both hidden. Click on the pen, go to Brush Properties, and change the width. Somewhere around 6 to 7 pixels. Pick a color, black, and go to Layer 4. Click on Polyline. Click, 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 all the way around the perimeter. This heavy line defines the 3D object. Click on the slider in the Brush Properties and make the line as thin as possible. Now, using the Line tool, draw in all of the lines that are on the interior of the chair. Click Layer 3 and Layer 2 and hide them.